This is a 3D printed telescope. What is a telescope? A telescope is a device used to observe distant objects in the universe. For example, planets, stars, nebula, the moon, Saturn's ring, Jupiter's satellites, and other celestial objects in our solar system. This particular telescope is a Newtonian design, and the wooden mount is called a Dobsonian mount. The structure of this telescope was made using 3D printed plastic parts along with stainless steel pipes, screws, and bolts. The mirror diameter of this telescope is 203 mm and the focal length is 1600 mm. Let's explore how this telescope was made.